Hey, what's up guys, Vic here with PhoneArena with a video sample recorded on the brand new Pixel 6 Pro. Right now shooting at 4K 30 video resolution. That is the kind of quality that you can expect from the Pixel 6 Pro. Next up, let's test the video stabilization, so follow me around. Now Pixel phones usually come with great video stabilization, very solid, and I doubt that this one will be an exception, but you let me know if video stabilization is any good. Let's walk a bit faster. Alright, stopping right here to also show you that you can use the ultra-wide camera while recording 4K 30 video. So let's switch to that. That is the ultra-wide camera, 0.7x, not quite as wide as on other phones, but still you get a bit more in the frame, so that's definitely nice to have. Next up, let's also test the zoom quality by going all the way to 4x zoom, where you have a periscope camera on the Pixel 4X, and it actually, at least in earlier testing, it seems to perform really well. So that's 4x zoom, and let's go all the way to the maximum zoom level now using the digital zoom. Alright, zooming into the maximum zoom level, this is what you get. Let's switch back to 1x. Alright, back at 1x, and let me also test quickly the continuous autofocus feature. So let me stand here, and this is my hand. The phone should be locked on my hand, and when I remove it, switching focus seamlessly between my hand, the background, my hand, the background. Alright guys, this was a quick test of the video recording on the Pixel 6 Pro. Let me know if you like it. Thanks for watching.